Hello guys, today we are going to see how we can solve the error of the screen. Here you can see that my OBS display capture is now enabled, but if your display is not enabled in here, so let's start it. How we can fix it? So first of all, you need to go into your settings, search on graphics, go into graphic settings, and here you can see that I just already imported OBS. So if here is not imported OBS, you have to browse your OBS exe where is the your OBS. In my case, local C drive in program files in OBS Studio and in bin in 64. And here you can see that it is my laptop is 64-bit. So this is I am just adding, so it show me it's already added. So here choose the options. Here you can see that let the windows decide. So this option will automatically decided if your graphic card will take more power or not. So here you have to give the second option, power saving, and click on save. Whenever you click that, you're done. I think your screen is now visible. I hope so. Thank you. If it's work, then please comment below. Thank you so much.